Your drivers are ready to hit the road, but are their routes ready on their tablets? Today, I'll show you exactly how to upload routes from TrashFlow to the TeleRoute app, ensuring your drivers have everything they need for efficient pickups right at their fingertips. Think of uploading a route as creating a virtual route sheet for your drivers. Instead of paper printouts, you're sending digital routes directly to their tablets through the TeleRoute app. When you upload routes to TeleRoute, you're giving drivers access to customer information, pickup schedules, special instructions, and even overdue account notifications, all organized and easy to see. Here's what uploading routes to TeleRoute does for your operations. First, it eliminates paper waste and ensures drivers always have the most current route information. Second, it gives drivers instant access to customer details, special instructions, and account status. Third, it creates a seamless connection between your office planning and field operations, with route updates flowing both ways. Let's walk through the upload process step by step. First, you need to mark your routes as TeleRoute routes. Navigate to Routing and open the route you want to set up. Once the route is open, right-click anywhere within the route and select Route, then Route Information. In the Route Information window, simply check the box for TeleRoute Route and click OK. This tells TrashFlow that this route should be available in the TeleRoute app. Here's a critical setup detail. If you assign a period to your route, you must also select specific days of the week for the route to be visible in TeleRoute. However, if you set the period to none and don't select any days, the route will be visible for any date you upload the routes for. Now comes the actual upload. Navigate to the TeleRoute tab and click Upload Routes. Here's the important part. Set your Send Routes for date. This should be the actual date when the drivers will be running these routes. You can upload routes for today, tomorrow, or any future dates. The checkboxes below are your preference. Want to highlight customers who are overdue? Set how many days overdue should trigger the highlight? It's all up to you and your business workflow. Click OK to complete this step. The TeleRoute server updates every 5 minutes, so if you upload a route at 10:42, the routes will be available at 10:45. Here's a pro tip from successful haulers. Upload your routes at the end of each day for the next morning. Since drivers often start before office hours, having routes ready the night before ensures they can hit the road immediately. Remember, any changes to routes require re-uploading. The system doesn't automatically sync changes. You need to manually upload again whenever you make updates. TeleRoute gives you some smart options for organizing your routes. In the Route Information section, you can assign specific drivers to routes. This locks the route for that driver in the app, preventing mix-ups. You can also select specific days and periods when the route should be active, giving you precise control over route availability. Remember this key rule. If you set a period for your routes, you must select specific days of the week for the route to appear in TeleRoute. But if you leave the period set to none and don't select days, your route will be visible for any date you upload the routes for, giving you maximum flexibility. Uploading routes to TeleRoute transforms your route management from paper-based to digital efficiency. Your drivers get the information they need, when they need it, and you maintain complete control from the office. We hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please contact our tech support at 800-708-8642. We appreciate you taking the time to watch, and most of all, we appreciate you for being a member of the Trash Flow family.